Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Let's look at this latest report. Major General John Sunday Martin called for unity in the SPLA-IO. Before we proceed with this update, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. According to this report, Major General Sunday Martin has called on members of the SPLA-IO to put aside their internal disagreement and remain united behind the movement leadership. According to an internal communication attributed to him, Martin believes this is not the right time for members of the movement to fight among themselves. His message comes at a sensitive time for the SPLA-IO. The movement has faced political pressure, internal disagreement, and leadership question, and uncertainty surrounding its future. At the center of this situation is the continued detention of its chairman, Dr. Riek Machar. Martin reportedly argued that Dr. Riek Machar remained the main figure holding the movement together. His message appeared to be simple. Whatever disagreement exists inside the SPLA-IO, they should not be allowed to destroy the movement from within. He also warned it against attempt to change or take control of the movement leadership through methods that do not follow its constitution and internal rules. This is an important point. Political movements often face their greatest internal challenges when their main leader is absent, detained, sick, or unable to carry out normal political activities. During such movement, questions began to emerge. And those questions is, who is in charge? Or who has the authority to make decisions? Who will speak for the movement? Should someone else take over temporarily? And if leadership changes are needed, how should those changes happen? This question can become dangerous when there is no agreement on the correct process. Martin's position appeared to be that the movement must continue to respect its established leadership structure and constitution. In other words, leadership should not be decided by personal ambitions, military power, tribal influence, or political pressure. It should be decided according to the rules of the movement. This message is especially important because the SPLA-IO has experienced major division in the past. General Martin reportedly referred to previous political split involving figures such as General Tabande Ngai and Stephen Farquhar. These past events remain important in the political history of the opposition movement. The lesson Martin appeared to be giving is that internal division can have serious and lasting consequences. When a political movement divides, it does not simply create two groups. It can create mistrust. It can weaken political negotiation. It can divide military forces. It can it can confuse supporters. It can create new rivalries. And in a country already facing instability, political division can also increase the risk of violence. For this reason, Martin is calling on political leaders, military officers, intellectual and other influential people, particularly within the Nuer community, to promote unity rather than division. But unity does not mean that everyone must agree on everything. In any political organization, people will have different opinions. Some may disagree with the leadership, Some may want reform, some may believe the movement needs a different political strategy. Others may believe the organization should change the way it operates. These disagreements are normal. The real question is how those disagreements are handled. Are they discussed through established institutions? Are members allowed to express different views peacefully? Are leadership decisions made according to clear rules? Or do disagreements become personal conflict that divide communities and political groups? This is where the issue becomes important. South Sudan has suffered for many years because political disagreement have too often become military confrontation. A disagreement between leaders can quickly become a disagreement between communities. Political competition can become ethnic tension, and once violence begins, ordinary civilians often suffer the most. That is why political leaders have a responsibility to manage disagreement peacefully. Martin's warning against tribalism is also significant. Tribalism remains one of the most dangerous challenge that facing South Sudan. Political leaders may belong to particular communities, but national leadership should not be reduced to tribal identity. When political disagreements are turned into ethnic conflict, the consequence can be extremely serious. People who have nothing to do with political decision may become target simply because of their identity. Communities that live together may begin to fear each other. Young people may be mobilized to conflict they did not create, and the country become more divided. South Sudan needs political competition based on ideas, policies, and leadership performance. It does not need political competition based on hatred between communities. The same principle should apply inside political movement. If members of the SPLM, SPLIO disagree about leadership or political direction, those disagreements should be handled through dialogue and established procedures. Martin also warned that continual internal fighting could benefit the government of President Salva Kiir Mayardit. From a political point of view, this argument is understandable. A divided position is usually weaker than a united opposition. When opposition group spend their energy fighting each other, they have less ability to organize negotiation or present a clear political alternative. Internal division can also make it easier for political opponents to attract dissatisfied members. This has happened in many countries, not only in South Sudan. Political movements often collapse not because they are defeated from outside, but because they become divided from within. This is why Martin's message is likely to create discussion among SPLM, SPLIO members and supporters. Some may strongly support this call for unity behind Dr. Machar. Others may believe that the movement needs internal reform. Some may question how the organization should operate while its chairman remains detained. These are legitimate political question, but whatever position people take, one principle should remain important. Political disagreement should not lead to violence. South Sudan has already paid a very high price for political conflict. Thousands of families have lost loved ones. Millions of people have experienced displacement. Many communities continue to struggle with poverty, insecurity, and a lack of basic services. Another major political or military conflict would only increase the suffering. The future of the SPLM, SPLIO will therefore depend not only on who lead the movement, but also on how its members manage their differences. Can they disagree without becoming enemies? Can they debate leadership without dividing communities? Can they follow their own political rules? Can they put the interests of ordinary people above personal political ambition? This question will remain important in the coming month. Well, if you are new to Changfied YouTube channel, I would like you to take the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Thank you for watching. Let's meet on the next video.